Okay, now that we have started a campaign, let's go ahead and talk about what our new AMS campaign dashboard is showing us and what it all means. To access your AMS dashboard, first go to ams.amazon.com, sign in, and click Advertising Campaigns. Now, you'll see all of your campaigns and some quick information about each. Starting from left to right, we have Status of your campaign. This will tell you if your ad is running, paused, or pending review. If you want to pause a campaign, just click on the drop-down bar and select that. You can also do the same to restart a paused campaign as well. Next is the campaign name. Like I discussed before, naming your campaigns will become very important once we start creating multiple campaigns and start doing some A/B testing as well. Type of campaign. This tells you whether or not that campaign is a product display or sponsored ad. The next two will tell you when you started the campaign and if there's an end date. If you have the campaign running continuously, you'll see a dash for the end date. Next is the set budget for that campaign, either in daily budget or total budget. Impressions. This is the number of times that your ad was shown on an Amazon page. Clicks. This is the number of times that someone clicked on your ad. Remember, this is important because you only pay for ads when someone clicked on it. To the right of that is the average cost per click, or ACPC. The spend is the total amount of money you've spent on that campaign. Now, the next two are the most important ones of all. The first is the estimated total sales. This number comprises of all sales made from someone clicking on your advertisement. That could be for the sale of your audiobook, ebook, paperback, etc. The estimated total sales number reflects the price of the type of book sold directly from someone clicking the ad. So, if someone clicks on your advertisement and buys the $23.99 paperback instead of the $3.99 ebook, you'll end up seeing the $23.99 price listed here. However, one important note, it usually takes about 2 days before this is updated with a sale. An example, if on Monday someone clicks on your ad and buys the book, that same day you'll see the click and the spend for the click in your dashboard, but you won't see the estimated total sales show up until about Wednesday. Also, the estimated total sale does not take into account declined payments or returns or even KU, so your true numbers might be a little bit different. And the final metric, which is probably the most confusing and most important, is the ACOS, or Advertising Cost of Sales, ACOS. This is the average amount spent on a campaign divided by the total sales. Basically, this is your way to figure out whether or not your campaign is profitable. But here's how it gets a little tricky. I'd like to tell you that if you spend $100 and AMS reports $100 in estimated total earnings, that you would have 100% and you broke even. But this isn't true, because remember, Amazon doesn't account for their cut of your book sales. If your book is priced at $2.99, then Amazon takes a 30% cut of the sale, right? Which means that for you to break even in AMS, you need $70 in ad cost and $100 in estimated total sales, which would bring an ACOS of 70%. Here's a couple of ACOS numbers to help you out, because I know that was a little bit math intensive. If your ebook is priced from $2.99 to $9.99, then you want an ACOS of 70% or lower in order to make the campaign profitable. If your ebook is priced less than $2.99 or greater than $9.99, then you'll need an ACOS of 35% or lower. The key to ACOS is that the lower the percentage, the more profitable the campaign is. So as you look at your dashboard, keep your eye on the ACOS. So from this lesson, we've discussed what our AMS dashboard can tell you and exactly what all those numbers really mean. In the next section of the course, we're going to look at one of the most important parts to creating profitable AMS campaigns, the keywords. I'm going to show you how they work, what they can do, and how to best find them. So I'll see you in the next lesson.